Lesson 5, I want that one. Today we will look at the study skills and writing part from the student book. So let's get started. Study skills. Look at this picture. Which word can you use for it? It is a field, right? Similarly, what is the boy doing in this picture? He is sleeping, right? Now try to say both the words together. Field, sleep. Can you find any difference? In the word field, F-I-E-L-D are the letters, whereas the spelling of sleep is S-L-E-E-P. Many a times it happens that a word containing the letters I-E and a word containing the letters E-E may sound the same. But then we need to remember the spellings of the words. Let us go through a few such words with this exercise. Fill IE or EE in the blanks to complete the words. In this picture, we can see a girl standing with her parents. Let's assume the lady in pink is the girl's aunt. Then, what is the girl to the aunt? She is the niece of the aunt. So, we can spell it as N-I-E-C-E. What are they? They are feet. If it is one, we call it foot. If it is more than one, we call it feet. Next one, it's a seed. A plant grows from a seed. Wow, it's so yummy. What is it? It's a pizza. But what is above the pizza? It is a piece from the pizza, right? We can spell it as P-I-E-C-E, piece. Next, we have all seen this place. What place it is? It's a street. S-T-R-E-E-T, street. What are these insects that make honey for us? They are bees, right? We spell it as B-E-E-S, bees. Now let's move on to the right section. This is the question from our student book. And these are the verbs, or as we can call them, action words given, which we have to fill in the blanks. So let's start. On Sunday, my father dashed to the market to buy groceries. My father goes to the market to buy groceries. He always dash tomatoes, potatoes and other vegetables. He always buys. To buy means to purchase. So he always buys tomatoes, potatoes and other vegetables. My mother dashed me to the park in the afternoon. My mother takes me to the park in the afternoon. My brother dashed TV in the evening. My brother watches TV in the evening. At night, my grandmother dashed us a bedtime story. At night, my grandmother tells us a bedtime story. If you have observed that in all these verbs, we have used the does form, right? Another thing apart from the does form of the verb that you must have noticed is that this passage is about a Sunday routine of a child, just like you, isn't it? What the father does, what the mother does, what grandmother does, what his or her sibling is doing. The child has written the whole Sunday scenario at his place, right? Therefore, our next activity talks about the same. Now, write 3 sentences about some of the things that you do on a Sunday using action words. I am sure you all are well versed with action words now, with the forms of do and does. Using them, you have to write about what you do on a Sunday just in 3 sentences. This brings us to the end of today's video. Tasks for the day are creative writing, where you have to write 3 sentences about what you do on a Sunday. Next is fun task, design your uniform. It is to be done in the student book. And the next one is life skills. You are given a picture story in the student book. You have to understand it and you have to think what is the moral of the story. That's all for the day. Happy learning!